So AlloyWorks was kind enough to supply the radiator for this build. I mean, this thing is pretty massive. Quad core, dual fans, and shroud. This is like the biggest radiator they have to offer. It's good for like C10s and Chevy swaps and whatnot. AlloyWorks has some of the best priced radiators I've seen, and they carry a huge selection of different radiators, intercooler pipes, and different automotive accessories and whatnot. So they are giving you guys a custom discount code right here. Check out the link in the description. And man, this is a very nice quality radiator. What I've seen pictures online, we may need to double it up and get a second one of these for redundancy. I'm not sure yet. This definitely will fit in our chassis, but I might have to double it up just to have that extra redundancy. Although I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll have to see, because we are running an iron block also, and we're going to have power adders, either a supercharger or turbo, so that iron block is going to get hot. It's going to be ran like at 7,000 RPM constantly. So yeah, definitely we need all the cooling we can get.
And you'll swap them over
to
your new radiator. So we're going to go ahead, swap some stuff over, take the caps off, and put this one in. So just a reminder, when it's sitting there, these two at the top with the bolts in, and then these two pins are basically the only things that hold your radiator in there. So after that, your fan shroud mounts up, bolts up, as you can see. The AlloyWorks one does have mounting spots for it. So we're gonna mount it, and we're gonna see how this aligns with the factory radiator. Hopefully everything lines up perfect. There's no issues, but let's start putting it together. I did misspeak just now as far as mounting the radiator in and swapping stuff over. These are actually on the bottom, so you have to pull these bottom rubber grommets out, because those are actually what sit in those holes right there. Keep it from vibrating out and keep it from moving all around. So there's actually 4 pieces that you would take off and swap over to the new radiator. So here is a side-by-side comparison of the two radiators. As you see, everything looks like it lines up as far as mounting positions. I did put the rubber pieces on the bottom. Thickness, pretty much the same, I would say. If you could see, like, this is just a cap on top, so this goes out a little farther. The actual radiator is the same size. And then aluminum edges versus plastic edges. Can't really hate on the plastic. It lasted who knows how long. I've had the truck for 12 or so years, and I've never replaced the radiator. And all your mounting places for your coolant hoses, pretty much the same. No changes there. The mounting points for the shroud do look the same, so I don't think we're gonna have any issues putting this